Hello everyone! Today is the day we continue on developing Super, no, not Super Cave Boy, but our new project, which is called Hutch and Butch. And the last time we have been, oh, give me a second, I will just turn this low a little bit. Yeah, the last time we have been doing some basic stuff. I will just run it for a second and we can take a look where we have been stopping the last time. If we take a look, yeah, we are developing the game in Unreal Engine. It will be a 2D and 3D hybrid game. Gameplay will be inspired by Megaman and a little sprinkle of Cuphead. And yeah, that's the goal. But for now, we will try to run this and check where we have stopped last time. Okay, here we are. This is the test stage, and when we run this, we can see we have a character who can go left and right. I think we can also do it. Yeah, you can also do it. Ooh. Yeah, you can also do it with the controller, but it's a little bit weird. When I press right, he goes left. When I press left, he goes nowhere. But that was weird. Okay, let's fix that. Where's that defined? I think in inputs, gameplay, and IA move. No. Here, this one. Here we can see D-pad right. And oh, yeah, this is obviously wrong. D-pad left. So when we press right, we want to modifiers do nothing, and when we press left, we want to negate. Okay, that's it. And I think that should be fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. The only problem is, yeah, the sticks are also in the wrong direction. So yeah, this one should be here. Should it? I don't know. X-axis. There's no information about. Okay, let's give it another try. We go here and we press this. X to the right, left, right. Okay. Nothing happens. Maybe again. No. What is happening? In has been connected. Okay. Oh, okay. Left thumb. X. Okay. And then the question is it now right or left? Let's save this. Oh, okay. We should remove these now. Modifiers. So, boom. Boom. And boom. I save this, and now it works. Okay. Let's see what this is. Yeah, it's a real It's really weird. When I press left, I get 1. When I press right, I get -1. Which is weird. So when I go here and I press left, I go here and press right. Does that mean it's not correct? Of course not. Okay, apparently gamepad, left thumbsticks. Question is there anything we can do? Like, is there some kind of modifier? Yeah, this one will negate. I guess that's why, yeah. Okay, I need to research this because apparently we don't get any x is more than 1, more than 0, or x is less than 0. So maybe I should get this. I think now the voice should be better. Yeah, apparently we don't get the information, or this is not handling the information if the axis of the thumbstick is more than 0 or less than 0. So this one should only be triggering when it's... Oh. Oh, wait a second. Can I minus 0.5? Can I do this? This also means we don't need this modifier. And for this one, it's nice. Okay. I think that this could be it. There cannot be a null input modifier on key mapping. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. We remove this, save it. Yeah. Okay. Is it here maybe? Yeah. No, save it. And now let's see if that works. Perfect. We just found a way. And wasn't that difficult. Okay, so what's the goal today? What's the goal right now? And what do we want to do today? So maybe let's open up some kind of notes. Yeah. The goals for today are make the character look into the right direction when moving. We can also have another goal, which will be what's the other goal? Can I... No. Okay, the other goal is show idle animation when not moving. This means use animation blueprint. I think paper ZD animation blueprint, yeah. Okay. So a bonus goal is make jumping work. Okay. These are the 3 goals we are going to do today. So first of all, the easiest one I think is make him look in the right direction, which is something I think we can implement for all base characters. So facing left and right can be something that will be used in all of them, like enemies and player alike. So you'll close all tabs, go here into character base, and we will go to the header file. And over here we can create a function. And I would like to do it public because I think this will be a function that will be commonly used also outside of this. So we call this we allow this blueprint callable, and we make it face left. That's how we call it. Do you want to make it virtual void? No. Then we can completely create it inside of this because we have everything we need. Okay, so face left, and we can also create a second one, which will be face right. So those two facings. Also, we could maybe do something like face in direction. Yeah, maybe. But for now, I think face left and face right should suffice. Let's do face in direction. Face direction. And it will take an int or float direction. X direction, we call this. And yeah, that's it, I think. Ooh. X direction and X direction. Okay. And we can maybe give this, yeah, nice. This will take in a number which can be negative as well. 0 is doing nothing. Negatives face left, and positive will be face right. So something like this would be nice. So we can just input the x-axis in most cases to handle the facing. Okay, but first of all, let's define what face left is doing. So face left is actually setting the rotation. Usually I do it with scale, but I've seen it last time someone do it with rotation, so I will try to do it with rotation as well this time. So this means we can set the, I think for now we will do the whole rotation. Later we might just set the rotation of the sprite, but for now we will do the whole. Set actor rotation. Set actor rotation. New. Okay, So how do we create a new quaternion? The new rotation of the actor teleport, how we can, okay. I think the rest is fine. Teleport is none. Okay. So we will need an F quad. F quad. What can we do this? Axis creates an initialized and new quaternion from the rotation around the given axis. Matrix, rotator, double. Okay. So we can in X and Y. Okay, let's try. We will call this 0.f. Next one will be 0.f. And last one will be, I don't know, 180.f. What is this issue? Okay. Zero point zero, maybe this. No. How can I create a double here? Okay. Ah, we need another one. Ah, okay, like this. Okay. F quad in Unreal with 100 on y-axis. F rotator, okay. Okay, if that's F rotator. If that's it, we can do it like this. Can we do it like this? I think yes. And then we can. Oh, it's also working. Okay, so face left is 180 degrees. I mean, we can try it. So face right would be all 0. Okay. And the last function, which would be face and direction, would be if face direction is bigger than 0. If it is 0, for first of all, then return. If it's there, x direction is bigger than 0, then face right. We can do it with else if, and the last one is if it is smaller than 0, then face left. So we can try this. We can try this over here in Hutch player. No, it was in player controller. Where is it? Where is it? Should be in controllers. There is it. It is. Okay. So over here, if on move, if this value, move value, can be used to face direction. Over here we can add the move value and it should work, but we will see. We will see if this is working. If that's the case, the first item in our to-dos is done. Okay, let's see what happens from here. Oh, okay, maybe which axis? The z-axis, right? So what happens when we rotate the z-axis? Yeah, it should simply move. Ah, but it could be that it's not the z-axis, it's yaw, pitch, and roll, which I really have difficulties to get my head around, but we might need to learn this today. So what's here? Let me check what's the input is. Roll. Okay, so roll is this, and this is not what we want. What is pitch? Pitch. Okay, we will open an image. Yaw, pitch, and roll. Okay, let's take a look at this. Yaw, pitch, and roll. What we want is the yaw axis. Yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. We want not this one, but this one. 180. Okay, so let's save this. Let's get back here. Can we press this if it's in debug mode? I don't know. We will find out. If not, we might need to just reopen the engine. Okay, we cancel this. We'll close this and this, and we will run it again. Yeah. Let's see if this works. I mean, it's doing nothing. Let us move left and then check. F8, okay. $180. So I can't really, I really can't change. That's probably because it's locked. That's probably because it's locked. So rotation. Let's see. No, we don't want this. Camera component, no. Yeah, maybe it's just locked. Yeah, this one. Use controller rotation. If true, this pawn's yaw will be updated to match the controller's control rotation. If controlled by a player controller. Okay. Why should we do why should we want that? I don't think I want that. Let's get control again and yeah. Maybe we do want that. Maybe we do want that. But this means that inside of this one, yeah, I should maybe just set that. It's a bit tricky, trickier than I thought. Because right now we are also moving the camera, which I really don't want to move. So maybe we need to really think about what I want to rotate. So let's open Hutch and let's take a look at the settings here. So rotation. First of all, I will disable this one, and then I want to tell the component use pawn control rotation. If this component is placed on a pawn, should it use the view control rotation of the pawn where possible? When disabled, the component will revert to using the stored relative rotation of the component. Note that this component itself does not rotate, but instead. Okay. Maybe we need this one. It could be that that's it. Okay, it obviously wasn't. Let's open the full blueprint. Ooh. Okay, it's looking into the wrong direction. So we might need to. It's absolute rotation now. Minus 90. Something like this. This should be fine. Yeah. Yeah. This is not ignoring. Let us see what happens. We go to the left and then if we go here to the where's the camera? Yeah, I think this is not the way to go. I really don't want to move this whole thing but rather just the sprite. So this means that we want to sprite first of all, let's close this. Or first of all, let's reset what we have done here, which should be like a rotation. Not here, but this. We want to use this. And where's the camera? We also want to reset this, and so it's relative. Okay, perfect. So let me save this. Let's save all. We close this, and we go here and say close it, and then we can check sprite. Sprite component. Not name. So we are in character base, which is a child of paper ZD character. Get sprite over here. Okay. What will this return? It's a flipbook. Paper flipbook character. And then set set I think this should work, eh? If sprite something like this, and then sprite yeah, of course we need to import this. Okay, this one, and we can go here and add it there, and then we can also use it like this. Set rotation, set world rotation, set relative rotation, which would be the new rotation. And we do the same here. And we will run this again, but without debug this time, so I can quickly recompile these small changes. But because I always have to wait for the engine to open every time I want to test some new values. And I think the changes we do right now are just some numerical ones, and for this matter, I think hot reload should be enough. So where is my character? Okay. Oh, no, it's working. I mean, it looks a bit weird, but it's, I think, mostly because of the lighting. We really need to get the right lighting correct. Okay, but for now this one looks good. We'll submit this. Submit content as or maybe we should do it here. It's better. We submit this as facing functionality for base characters. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is done, and we can move on to the next one. Should we show idle animation? But it looks like I will have to do a small break. So maybe I will just yeah, open the pause screen, which I can show you here. Yeah, you can get Super Cave Boy on Steam right now. And you can also play it on Steam, play the demo. But yeah, in 2 or 3 minutes I need to go for 20 minutes or something. Yeah, but maybe we can just set up some stuff here for the animation. So we go here to the player. I think I will edit here. Here in Paper ZD animation blueprint. Animation source. Okay, I need an animation source. Paper ZD animation source. What is this? I don't want. Okay, I also need idle anyway, so we will just add idle here. And I think we can, and we have to create animation sources. Where's the animation source? This paper flip book. Animation source. Okay, I'm missing the animation source. OneDrive, I think there are my images. Where is it? My files. Graphics. Sprites. Hutch. And over here is oh, where's the idle? What happened to the idle? It's gone. Maybe it's an old. I found something in old. I will use that. So you will move it here. Go right click. Sprite actions, apply to D. And then we go sprite actions, create, extract sprites. Perfect. And then I go here and select all of them, create a flipbook, which will be Hutch idle. Flipbook. Oh, this one is not right. What have we done? This is wrong. No. We need to remove all of them. Delete. Yes. So extract sprites, and this one is wrong. Why can't I adjust this? Grid. Okay, perfect. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. Okay, this should no, maybe 8, no, 16, also no, 24. Holy shit. Yeah, this is really weird. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work like this. Yeah, but for now I'm in break. I will be back in half an hour. And we are back. It was a little longer break, but that's no problem. We still have time to finish our tickets. Yeah, let's continue with the music. I think everything is running and we can continue with the video. So the problem is this image is a little bit weird, so we will have to adjust it. I will quickly do this by opening it with this software. Okay. So first of all, we will change we'll change the size, canvas size. I don't know, we will do 16 times 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. Or 32. Let's do 32 in the height, like this. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 32 is 256. 256. Do it like this, and this should be fine. Okay, here we are, and then we will just change the view, show the grid. 32 times 32, and here we can now set the characters in the correct spot. So something like this. And this one will be here. 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 Like this, like this. Oh no. Like this. This one will be here. This one will be here, and finally this one will be here. Okay, and if we check the animation, where can I see the animation? Okay. Of course we can't see the animation here, but let's export this. Can I save this? File. Save. Okay. Now it looks better. So we will remove this. Delete. And we can import this new one. It's fixed. We will apply the paper 2D settings and then extract the sprites. And this time around it will work fine, and I can select all of them. Create a flipbook, Hutch idle, and flipbook like this. Okay, perfect. For the walk, oh, we already have that, correct. Okay. Ooh. We need to change the pivot. Asset actions. Bottom center. And and save it. Okay, now it should be better. Okay. How's that? And this is probably not needed, but I will still do it. Asset actions, edit property matrix here, and then we can go to bottom center. Save it and close. Okay, so now we have these two animations, but the question is how. Okay, what I need is I want to create paper ZD animation. Animation source is an object that serves as a root for animation sequences to be grouped and shared through animation blueprints. The animation source contains information regarding. Okay, I don't need animation source. Can I create one without? Okay. How can I create an animation source? Ah, okay. Animation source. Anim source. Hutch. Okay, now I get it, and I can move this up here, move here, and over here I can. Maybe I can just call this ASRC animation source. And in here we can add new animation sequence. Oh no, not like this. I don't want this. Okay, remove this. Bye bye. Delete. Okay, what we really want is we want to go into characters, players, Hutch, animation sequences. No. Idle, and then move this here. Okay. New animation sequence. Oh. Like this. Okay. Now I get it. Idle. And then we can create another one walking. And this one will be this one. Perfect. Okay, now we can go here and then asset actions. We can go to animate paper ZD and create this one. Select this, and then animation blueprint ABP. Can fix this as well. Okay, so when we go here, we can see in the animation graph that we have nothing. So what we want is what's it called? Motion, something like this. Oh, how is it called? Motion. Animation. No. Select animation. No. State machine. Create new state machine like this. which states. Okay, defaults. There was something else. Slot. Default slot, something like this. Okay. Here we can create a new animation state, which will be idle. And then we create another one, which will be state. This one will be walking. Okay, and in here we can set the animation. Here. Idle. Perfect. Okay. We go up and then go to walking, and here we can play the walking, which will be here. Okay, so what we have here is we want some variables, which can be Boolean. This one will be walking is walking. So first, I think we can just move this, and if he's walking, then we use this one. Okay, compile this, go back into the event graph this time, and okay, we have these two functions. On init, get pawn, something like this. Get how do I get the character? We need to ask get owning actor. Get owning. Hey. Get owning actor. Use. I think there. Get owning. Oh, there it is. Okay. Get owning actor. We can cast to this one. And over here we can promote this to variable. Which should be fine. And on tick, are there some more events like I think this is fine. On animation sequence playback complete. We will for now do it on tick, and we can change it later, of course. So what we will do is check if this one is velocity. Is there something like this? Get velocity. So if x is not 0, and then what we want to do is we want to set this. Okay, what we can do here is we can extract this into a function which we will call update is walking. So now we have this, and we can go back here, which we can set up this animation. Where is it spread? Okay. Open the sprite here. Source flipbook. Paper flipbook component. Where can I set this animation? Okay, this is weird. Paper flipbook component. See what we can do. Paper ZD animation. Okay. In Paper ZD uses a skeletal mesh even if it's rigged for 2D and animation blueprints, allowing for complex animations. What have we done here? Let's check what we have here. Okay, so we are inheriting from Paper ZD character. Paper ZD character. Creating the animation blueprint. I have done this. Setting the up the oh, we don't have a use skeletal mesh component. It's all what we have.
If you ever thought about making a 2D game with Unreal Engine 5, there's no better time to start than now. As it stands, Unreal Engine is lacking many features for handling sprites tutorials, so even if there is no space, but we're currently in an open world map, which we recently started to paint in Unreal Engine 5. Now it's time to import the assets for our character. These of Paper Z. If you're having issues, you can try to use the import button here instead of dragging and dropping the assets. If that also doesn't work for you, you might wait for the width. Let's first create the idle animation. In the content, click on Add New to add a new animation sequence. And we go into the up in our animation source flipbook, but right now nothing is connected. Select Page Flipbook. Set the scale of the sprite to 4 on all 3 axes. The Z location should be -97. We'll need a camera to see our character when we control it. Select the capsule and then add a spring arm component. Basic as the default. Input and create, and also an action mapping. Now you can see that the character can walk, but and split the struct bin since we only care about the X value. ZD's animation blueprint. Then idle to false. Now you can see that our character properly switches between the. We can then get only actor to get a reference to our character. Then get velocity. Add the forward event. Then call add movement input and connect the axis value to the scale value.
Oh, okay, I'm blind. Maybe this is where I have to set this up. Okay, I get it. Okay. So this means it's a little bit big. Oh, this one is bigger. It's not good. First of all, we should disable collisions on this. This has no collisions. Second of all, this is too big. But why is that? For this, I have to check the other one. Let's see how this compares. Okay. This needs to get smaller. Or the other one needs to get bigger. Maybe that's also an issue. So this is really weird. These old files are really weird. Canvas size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be 32. Oops. Sprite canvas size 32, and width will be 32 times 7, which should be 224 over here. Not like this. Not like this. Canvas size 224. 32. Okay. What did we have here? 32. Okay. Okay, so this means we will need to first view, set up the grid. 32 times 32. And over here we can, first of all, resize this. Mm-hmm. Maybe we should get one of these in here. And then we can resize this. Like so. Properties, opacity down to something like this. Okay. Okay, this one I will do it right. Canvas size 32, like this, and we will create new frames. Like this, and then we can paste this. Okay. Okay, so we can delete this, I think. And we can enable onion skin. So here we are. Okay, we'll delete this. And we will delete this. And we will delete this. And we will delete this one. This one. This one. I don't know if this looks good, to be honest, but we will have to check. Okay, we will see how this looks like. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Export spreadsheet. Export this one. Okay. Okay, so we can now go here. This is idle, this is walk. And inside of walk, we can add this new one. Delete this. Maybe we can just update this one. Re-import with new file. This. And then we can maybe delete those. What happened? Okay. We have to delete those. Okay, of course it's not working anymore. We go here. We will also delete this one. Okay, now we can sprite actions. Oh, the music stopped again. I forgot to play it back. Okay, so we will sprite action, extract sprites. This looks good. Okay. Okay. This is weird. Okay. Let's save this all. And then try it again. Sprite actions, extract sprites. Okay, we kind of blew this up. Good thing is this one looks good. Maybe I need to do this and then try it again. Extract spreads. Was all marked for delete, okay? Maybe I need to restart the engine. Seems like it. Let's restart the engine. Close this. Go here and reopen it. Yeah, I think we won't do the bonus goal, but we can do the... Maybe we can finish this one if the sprites are working. Extract sprites. Okay, doesn't want me to do this. So let's just completely redo this folder. I will remove this. Delete. Delete and then create a new block. Okay, over here we can import this. I'm gonna rename this like so and add this here. Now sprite actions apply this and then sprite actions extract sprites. Fail to revert package which was marked for delete. Okay, maybe we have to Google this. Item is scheduled for deletion. This makes no sense. Just right click in particular folder or files. Okay. In the pending change list in the PV4 GUI should see the files listed for mark. Select those files you do not want to delete and revert them. What is this? Can Hmm. Okay, there's something wrong with the redirectors. I don't know why this is marked for deletion. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is weird. For me, the problem was caused by a source control that I forgot about. Okay. Now, can I now do this? Extract files? No. Submit content. Okay. Maybe now? Looks better. Okay. It was the source control. And then right click on this, create a flipbook. Flipbook, walking. Flipbook walking. And then we can go over here in the animation source. We can go to walking and set this. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. I think we can also go here in the assets for the walk and then select all of those and then click on asset actions, property matrix, and over here we can go to bottom center and this should fix them all. At least it should be in the bottom center now. Okay. Okay. So when we go now back to Hutch, check the blueprint, and over here we open the full blueprint editor. When we go to the viewport, we can check how the size is gonna be. We might need to adjust this. So idle is like this, and okay, this looks good. This looks exactly how I wanted it to be. Okay, the only thing what we want to do now is to move this in place. Move this in place and maybe this to 1. Like this, perfect. This is nice, okay. This is idle. And for the animation component, we have this, okay. So this basically means we just have to scale this down, maybe to 1. It's a bit too small, to 5 is fine. And compile and save and then run, and we can see this is working. This is working perfectly fine. So what we cannot see is this animation blueprint doing anything. This might be because animation blueprint over here, and let's check that is walking. Oh, yeah, of course. The reason for that is we never use this variable. We just set it up. So we have to go here and we have to go here and we will set is walking. So if he's walking, then use the animation for walking. If he's not walking, then not negate, not boolean, like this. So if he's not walking, then don't use it. Save and okay. This is nice. Nice. So I think maybe we can do the bonus round. After all, there is still some time left. Yeah. Okay, let's see how we can proceed with this. So what we want to do is we want to save everything here, close the engine, go back to the source code, and over here what we want to do is inside of player. So what we have here is we want to go to the player controller. This one. So what we have here is the move action and the move function. What we want to add is the not move action but jump action on jump, and we also want another function which will be on jump, stop jump, on stop jump, or on jump and. So these are the two values. We can create the function here as well as the other one. And we have those two functions. So what we want is the character player character jump, and over here we want to use the end jump. I think it's end jump. Stop jumping. Yeah, that's it. Let's close this and go here and use the stop jumping function. Perfect. Yeah, the only thing is here init input actions if null pointer. So what we want to do here is we want to revert this because we don't want this to stop any other actions, and we want to do it like this, and then add another one, jump action, and bind the action. If it's triggered, then use on jump. But we have another function which will be bind action, which will be not on triggered, which will be actually cancelled. Yeah, something like this. On jump and. Okay, so we can go here. Engine add on screen debug message, something like this, and we will call this, the key is -1 point f. Wait, it's int, we don't need floats. Time to display is let's say 1 or 3 seconds. 3 point f. Color is f color, I don't know, emerald. This f string is going to be f string. We'll do it text, jump end, and the rest is not mandatory, so we'll do the same here. This one is emerald, this one will be red, orange, jump start. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Let's run this and see what happens. Okay, so what we want is go here and set up the jump action, which we of course need to first set up here, gameplay. We don't need the move, we can do another one, which will be input action, jump, and we will call this digital bool, that's right. Triggers is going to be pressed. Okay, so this one should be fine. In this input mapping context, we can add this. It's going to be Z or Y for German keyboards, and as well here is pressed, so is this one pressed. Okay, can we just duplicate this? Why can't I just duplicate this? Copy. Okay, I need to paste. And this one will be like this. That's fine. Okay. So now we have this, and it should work by now. Nothing's happening. Oh. Nothing is happening, but why is nothing happening? So we have set this up. I jump. It triggers when pressed. Yeah. I need to save this and go here. And over here, full blueprint. Yeah, we forgot to set this up. Jump. Action. That's the controller. Here we are. Okay, set this one and then compile and save and then run this, and we can see, oh, and he's jumping. Okay, there's just one issue. We never get the release or cancelled. Maybe we simply have to set it here, not to trigger it, but to hold or down. Yeah, I think it's down. So while it's down, let's check if this works. If this works, maybe that's it. Save it. Let's go here. Yeah, cancel is the wrong item here. Completed, cancelled, started, triggered. Ongoing, completed. I want released, to be honest. There's nothing like released or stopped. It's just triggered. Triggered and cancelled. Let's see. After one or more processing ticks. Started. Event that has begun trigger evaluation. This triggering has been cancelled. For example, the user has let go of a key before the press and hold time threshold. Okay, this is not working. The trigger state has transitioned from trigger to none. This frame, in example, triggering has finished. Note, using this event restricts you to one set of triggers for started, completed events. You may prefer 2 actions, each with its own trigger rules. Completed will not fire if any trigger reports ongoing on the same frame. Okay, maybe I need two actions. So what we are going to do is can I add another one and then say jump? Okay, it will automatically create a new one. Seems like we will need to either add another one or I will give it a try with completed. Let's see if that works. We'll go here. Where was it? Controller there. Here. So in here we will try completed. Let's see. if this one works. Oh, I forgot to save. We need to save the files. I'm bleeding. I think I'm bleeding. Okay. So let's see if everything is set up correctly. The jump is set up right. Saved. Controller. Over here. This one is missing. Let's save it. And let's try. Okay, now it's working. Maybe let's check if this is also working. We go here, and for Z we will try not down but pressed. Save it and check. Okay. No, this one is not working, but I think we can keep down and it should work fine. Okay, let's save. And what we need to do now is we actually just need to go here and set up the character in a way that it is smooth. So first of all, the jump velocity, which is fine. Air control. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I need to take care of that, but I think we are almost over. Almost done here for today's stream. Jump off Z factor. Air control boost multiplier. Jump max count is 1. The max time the jump key can be held. When the character will carry on receiving. Okay. Let's say 1 second. Let's see what happens. Okay, he's always jumping the full height. I don't want that. Air control boost multiplier. Okay, this is not what I need. Let's go to character movement, and over here there should be something inside the jumping and falling here. Okay. Air control boost multiplier. Air control this, that. Flying, no. Character custom movement. Nope. Nope. Physics interaction. Nope. Character movements. Avoidance. Root motion. Current mesh movement. Nope. Nope. Okay, I need to ask the internet again. Jump key holds time. Jump key holds time. But I didn't see that. Jump key. No, I can't see that. This variable controls the maximum time. Yeah, I'm looking for that. Maybe here. Jump key. Jump key. Hold. Ah, this one. Okay. I saw that before. Let's do 3 seconds. Ah, okay, this one was what I was looking for. Okay. So let's do 1 second from by this, and we can change the gravity for the character to be 2 maybe. Maybe it's 4. Maybe it's 4. Okay. Jump key, jump, hold. Where was this? Jump, hold. Was it here? Jump, hold. This one. 0.5. I think that should be enough. And we need to maybe double this to 800. And might need to reduce this to 2. Something like this. Perfect. Okay. So the character is a little bit difficult to control in the air. But I think we can fix that. But for now, we will maybe increase the ground here a little bit and do it like this. Okay. This should be fine. Nice, okay. Yeah, that's a little bit weird. I think we have to improve on that. For instance, if I jump and then press right, it's really difficult to control. But if I have already some... Yeah, you see, I cannot change the direction But I think we can air control. We can. Here, I think that's it. 0.5. When we do that, and then run this. Maybe we can do 0.8, and then it should be a lot smoother too. When falling, multiplier applied to air control. What is this? Fraction of jump z velocity to use when automatically jumping off a base actor. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. When we do 1, it should be like... Oh. Can I do 5? I mean, it feels like it's doing nothing. But it seems to be doing something. Yeah, it's doing something. 0.8 is fine. And I think we can close the session for today with the pull request. Or no, not pull request, with a commit message. So what we have done today is we have also added to save all, close this. So we have added animation blueprint for Hutch, added jumping and facing. So okay, commit this, and I think we are done for today. I wish you a good night, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe and like, and don't forget to follow. See you later, alligator.